This is the front of the store. This is where I'll have the watches and purses and shoes and everywhere put. That came out of my house, and so did that. This is my office. Isn't it nice? So excited. And this is where my kids will play. All of this stuff came from my house. Every bit of it. From the projection system to everything else, to all the couches and the chairs and all that stuff came from my house. I already had all of this stuff from my previous bar that I had opened up, and it was just filling up my garage. And this is one of the bathrooms with a shower. And this is the other room with the TV where the kids will be most of the time. And this is my workstation. This is where I'll actually be sharpening the scissors at. And this is another bathroom with the toilet. So I've actually been doing stuff with what you've been giving me. And I actually got a pretty nice building too. Looks good, doesn't it? I got it set up very nicely. So this is it.